Hey guys, it's Chris, making this intro 2 in the morning, so I'm kind of tired, but pretty much all I want to say in this intro is welcome to the channel. If you like the video, go ahead and like it and subscribe if you want, and yeah, part 2 and 3 will be coming out later this week or next week. Alright boys, here goes nothing. Oh wow. Someone broke into the glass.
Yeah, I can't remember that.
And here we are.
You gonna try it again?
I don't know. Here's the thing.
You wanna try to kick that one out too? Wait, let me see if I can slide it out.
I don't know, bro.
Oh!
Be careful. So there's like, so where we are right now, there's an abandoned building, right? And so pretty much the whole thing's boarded up, except one has been broken into. And there that is. I guess we have our way in now. Hey guys, this is future me again. So pretty much what you're watching is a sped up version of me and Diego struggling to get in. I just wanted to make this quick because we just talk way too much. So I'm gonna actually cut to the part where we actually saw someone walking up to us. So yeah, guys, enjoy.
You gotta get in.
Okay.
Someone's coming. Someone's fucking coming.
Don't turn out. Don't turn out.
Okay.
Don't run too much. He's like a person. What does he look like? Tell me.
It's the same fucking guy from before. Fuck.
Oh shit. Okay.
Get the fuck out. Get the fucking camera. Fuck. Shit.
So someone's following us at the moment. So so pretty much to kind of catch you up to speed, me and him, we went over here earlier, and there was actually, the glass was semi-shattered. I mean, there was like a small hole, but it made fragments. Oh no, that's the guy. That's the guy, dude. Yo, he's checking, yo. Is he following? All right, look.
Hopefully he doesn't catch. I don't think he's gonna catch. He's like 260. I'm fast as fuck, boy. So that's not gonna happen. But also, this is not the first time I'm gonna be doing this. We're gonna come back.
Okay, so there's power on, right? But there's like, it's so overgrown, and people have broken in so many times that I'm just kind of wondering what. Is he behind us?
Not yet, at least. He's walking.
He's walking like Michael Myers. I swear to God, bro, if this guy pulls out a kitchen knife,
Ouch.
shit, it's crazy. I think the guy stopped following us. Unless he's that slow, yo. Kind of just to show you an example of how big this building is. I mean, this building is massive, dude. I thought you disappeared. I didn't see where you went.
I'll go check.
All right. We're gonna kind of film like this. Sun's setting, so it is getting darker. But dude, look how big this building is, dude. Like, I don't know. I don't know how. Maybe there's an elevator. I don't know why I'm saying elevator. I mean, the power is actually working. Oh no. Oh no, I think he just saw him. He's running back. He's still there? Is he just standing?
No, it's like walking.
Why?
I don't know.
Annoying ass, you know what I'm saying? Unless it's the
He's
building.
lapsing for the day. He's in them games.
But yeah, we do kind of look sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I have a glove on.
I have a hood on.
Yeah, you know, just normal Saturday. Just
It's 90 degrees almost. I'm burning up in this
it is, yo. And I have a sunburn. That thing is so uncomfortable at the moment, yo. Like my shoulders.
I think he's running.
Oh, this bitch is not gonna catch up to us, bro. As I said, I'm fast as fuck, boy. Yo, the motorcycle just turned on.
Yeah.
There's a motorcycle like over there. I don't know. Here, this is what we're kind of looking at, if you're wondering. So he might be all the way back there. Is that him?
Yeah. He's walking towards us.
Is he really? I can't see, yo. I'm blind, yo.
I have 20/20 vision.
Yo, shut up, bro. This man's trying to flex on me, bro. I got like 3 vision, man. Like I can't see anything, bro. Okay, we're gonna slowly creep back up. I don't know if this is gonna work.
You record his face.
Oh no, I can blur it. And I know how to do it now. It's crazy.
Walk past him.
Oh, that's him. Oh, I didn't even notice, yo. This man's old, yo. This man probably works at doesn't he have the Baskin Robbins employee outfit?
Ooh, I think they wear all the same thing. Even Dunkin', like they share.
Yeah, whatever. That place.
Yeah, no, it's orange.
Uh,
Dunkin' Donuts.
We're just gonna.
Keep walking?
Yo, I don't know if y'all can see him. I'm trying to show him.
This guy is not right now. He's actually walking towards like nothing. It's so weird that he drove up. Then look at that window right there. It's shattered completely. Can you read the damage? Huh? Sorry,
This is first day, guys. So,
Day one.
second day.
I think he's going to Dunkin' Donuts.
This man just stopped for donuts on the way of chasing us.
Nope, he's still following.
Yo, you think he wants to dance battle? Hold on, ready?
Here, let me try this.
Yo, hit him with those moves. Ready? What the hell was that? Okay, we're gonna pretend that never happened. All right. Do the arm wave. I don't know if I can do it on film, but I can't do it that way. What? No,
I can't
do
do
it,
it.
bro. No, you have to do it again.
I can't do it. It's embarrassing. Dance battle.
What are you doing? Get this man some help. This man needs some dance classes. Oh, he's actually doing it. Hey! No way, bro. Michael Myers is dancing, yo.
Yo.
What's up, bruh? Yo. Tell me Michael Myers has no personality.
Yo.
This man's crazy, bro. You scared us. Michael Myers just started dancing like crazy. This man's wild.
He's faking that on the stage.
This man just like alright, so this man just followed us around the whole building. Diego starts dancing and this man just starts dancing back. I don't know if I got it on film.
Bro, he wants to
There he is, yo. Like on those steps. I can't really I don't know. I think the camera helps a little bit. He's right there. So in the purple. This guy just following us. Okay, so we can get in. Yo, Diego, we can get in. This guy was chill. I don't understand I don't understand why he just started he was following us like that. It's really dark now. Your phone has power, right?
Yeah, it's like 30.
Okay. So yeah. Not gonna lie. Grab the crowbar. Yeah, we have a crowbar. Shut up. We actually bought it. I might pull up a clip of us buying that right now. We're in a Home Depot. We're gonna buy a crowbar for something we're gonna do in a video later. And we're back.
Put this in your pants.
I'm gonna have. Okay, buddy.
That part was good. I just did this really weird transition because I'm going to show them how I bought the crowbar, right? Yeah. No. I don't know. There's a part I went like this, right? I snap, and I just touched the camera. That was the transition, but no one's so stupid with that already.
This man has crazy, bro. So this is just another part of me and Diego talking way too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip you guys to the actual part where we actually go into the building. So yeah, I just never seem to shut up. So yeah. All right, so we're back. There's more cars. Also, guys, we decided this will be part 1 of a video. Make sure you're actually recording. You're just playing it. Should we leave the crowbar outside?
You leave it right there. We don't really need
We're
it.
gonna go ahead and explore for about 15 minutes because it is getting really late. But now that this whole thing is open, we're gonna be able to come back. We're gonna have more people next time. It's just me and Diego right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I'll just record you getting in.
Okay. I'm sure there's no fucking cars coming.
Oh my god, these pants are actually hard to get in, yo. It's like, alright.
Alright, get in.
You best not scratch your neck. Careful, your shoe. Careful, Chris.
Okay.
Here we are in the abandoned building. This place. Yo, be careful. I do not want you to get cut, yo.
If I get cut, I'll just say I fell.
Great excuse. I have a giant gash on my back. Oh, look at this glass. Like, not on my hand. Oh, fuck. That's not good. Okay. I'm here by myself. And I hear an animal. Is there a frog in here? Yeah.
What are these? Some metal looking thing? There's multiple of them on the floor. It looks like a... Oh, someone wrote in here. Someone was here. 1209. Sprinkler system. Diego, hurry your ass up, bruh.
Dude. Be careful. Oh, come on, Diego. But hurry up, man. I swear these cars are really blowing me right now. Like, I don't know. It should not be blowing me right now because, like, it's just, we're doing something stupid. But still, you know what I'm saying? Crazy. This guy's taking ages right now, bro. You know what? I'm gonna cut 2 when he actually gets in there because this is taking way too long, guys.
Boom. What's up? All right, so we're back. Diego's behind the camera now. He's in. So let's just go explore a little bit. Really where do you want to go first?
Should I take my flashlight out?
Do you want me to use your phone for the flashlight?
Yeah.
I got you.
Here you go.
So there's so many. Okay. This is not even that bright, yo.
Yeah.
Oh, nah. Okay.
It's really fucking dark.
Oh, no, boy.
I think
Okay. Let's go here first. So, this was like a room.
Shit. Does the light work?
No.
Okay.
Time ticket, it says on the wall. Come over.
That's blocked off, I think.
No, I think there's a way.
Bro, this is really fucking creepy.
You got me, bro. Oh, wow. There's a coffee, bro. This man's really going off.
Fuck. This is actually really scary.
Relax, man.
No, it's so quiet.
You know I'm gay? Alright. No response. That means there's someone here. Okay. Damn, alright, bro.
Jesus Christ.
It's so eerie.
No, nothing.
Nothing, yo. Okay. Make sure you're getting good angles, because we're not gonna.
It's not that bright, it's the
We're
problem.
not gonna record more than 2.
I think we should.
Oh, I thought it was a book or something. Nope, nothing.
I think we should turn on flash on like video, maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. There's a flash on there, and I have flash. Okay. We're getting these two out. Okay.
Wait, did you hear that? I swear it's someone walking. Yo. I think we should get the fuck out of here.
No. We have to just do this part 1, and then we'll do part 2 with more people. Don't worry.
Yeah, this is fucking
Don't worry,
creepy.
part
Just
2 will be during the day.
What door?
RDC. Wood door.
So this is a door?
Great door.
That's a giant fucking door.
Okay, cool. So,
That spot doesn't seem as scary as right here.
let's go get this one last. Oh, look, there's police tape. Oh, more of this metal thing. I showed the camera earlier. There's like this metal thing everywhere, yo. Look at it in the corner, dude.
These look like fucking bullets.
I don't think they're bullets, though. I'm gonna turn off the flash in your room.
Right here, it's really bright. Did they turn off the power on this side of the building?
So weird. Okay, here.
Oh, wait. It's one of those things, you know, like.
Make sure you record, yo. You're just talking about it.
Yeah, this. Okay, let me put my phone in my pocket. It extends. You know those things that have like an extendable part?
Yeah, I don't know what those. They're everywhere. Okay, so there's like.
Right, this spot's really bright.
Okay, so that's the main entrance actually, but as you can see, this was like an office building, dude. Oh, fire extinguisher. Alright, look, we're gonna have to do something creepy because this is not gonna get. Oh my god. Step in.
Fuck no. We are not exploring this whole place by ourselves.
Relax, bro, you got me. Okay.
If there's something in there,
I'm whooping its ass, yo. I'm dead ass, bro.
Is it stuck?
It's jammed, the door, look. Okay. Come on.
I'm gonna get my flashlight out.
All rooms. Okay, nothing really important. Yo, you thirsty? Please don't. Oh my god, yo.
There we go.
This house whooped its ass, yo. Oh, dude, this is huge. We're not gonna do it all in one part. We're in a whole different area. Hey, make sure we don't lose where we are, yo.
No.
Okay.
It's in some direction.
Hey, if you want, maybe in certain places we'll get 2 camera angles. So there's an opening to the roof. There's nothing here. What does it say?
What the fuck?
Oh, that is creepy, yo.
Don't walk in there, Chris.
Relax. There's a picture of a guy, a cop. There's nothing in here. This is bar.
I have a cord.
Yo, go for it, yo. Okay. There's nothing really in here. Okay, you can just see how beat up. What's up, Diego? Diego has a second camera angle. It's kind of getting recorded vertical, but that's fine. I don't know. It's up to you. So this looks like maybe.
It's really sketchy in there. Like at some points it's dark.
Yeah. Okay.
And at other points it's extremely bright.
Yeah, it's like half of the building has.
This place is destroyed.
Oh no, this door can actually break. Oh, this is where the crane was, or the whatever that slide. Remember?
Oh.
Okay.
Should we leave that door open? Should we try to see if we can unlock it?
Okay. Stand. Open the door. Hold the door open. Okay, guys. So this is. Oh my God, yo.
We can jam it. We can get the door open.
This door is open. Sorry, this is another entrance. I'm gonna keep it open. It's shaking someone around, but okay. Look, that door's open now. We have that door. Okay. Okay. Oh, stay there. Oh.
That's not the place. No, it's okay.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna keep this here. I don't trust that shit. All right, cool. Dude, look at this, yo. We got Dr. Phil. God damn it, I'm the only one that laughed at that joke, didn't I? Okay, oh, there's a cut on my hand now. Oh, wow. Light turned on. Yo, magic, yo. Another one of these bootleg doors, or whatever they're supposed to be. What the hell, yo? That shit mad pissing me off, yo. You better put that gun away, boy. Why are they random? What the hell, yo? It's a picture of a hand.
Let's get the fuck out.
No. This is a little bit more, bro. Okay, as you can tell, this place. Okay. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on. All right, boys, I'm going alone. Come on, just in the back. Look, I got you, bro. If something attacks me, oh my god, that's the way to the second floor.
Okay, at least we know where it is. Alright, let's explain this later.
Oh fuck, nah, boy. We got a whole computer room. Computer room.
What?
Computer room.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Chris, let's go back. I'm not fucking.
All right, remember this, boys. This is wild, yo. Pussy. It's like, it's fine, yo. Some people would just. That's the exit. Damn, boy, you already ready to leave? Nah, boy, y'all give me a little more content. Excuses, but this man doesn't want to go anywhere.
Just in case that someone repairs that.
Yeah, like right now.
Not right now, but when we come back the next
Yeah, just by the way, it's about almost 10 o'clock. Who's gonna come over here and repair this? Oh, it's dark now, bruh.
I'm gonna go grab a stick or something.
So much brighter on the phone now. This is really crazy, yo. Look, bruh. I'm by myself right now. Okay, so it's really weird. There's pictures of people with guns on the wall. There's vote for me pictures. Shipping. I don't know what kind of company this is. Way to make an entrance, Bob. Alright, look. Oh my, look how much I'm sweating. Oh, it's because of the glove. Alright. Okay. This man just recorded himself finding a stick. So, yo, the one thing that's really bugging me, why are there pictures of people with guns? This is so weird. Okay. That's an elevator, I knew it.
Yeah.
That needs a code. Oh, please don't be unlocked. Alright, cool. We don't have this one. Okay. There's this way, and then there's... Oh. Bruh, it's not gonna all be Brita. There's another one of those pictures on the floor, though. Oh, computer room? I mean, it's not really a computer. I keep calling it that. It's just a course. We've been here, remember?
Yeah.
You heard that?
Downstairs.
Okay, better say, bruh.
Chris, come back.
What the fuck?
Come back.
You were so annoying, bro. I thought you saw someone or something. No. Oh, wow. Do not enter warning. Oh, fuck no, boy. What the hell was that?
I swear I heard that thing rumbling.
Relax, bro. This man is scared of him. There's no one upstairs. I heard a thud. Yo. Damn, yo. This man's a choice. Okay, we've been here. Let's wait, that was not there, yo. Remember this picture? I swear to God, this thing was bland. Yeah, because remember... Alright, boys, I'm sorry about that, but we got called by a lot of people at the same time, our parents and stuff. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a part 2. Obviously, it kind of bothers me that we couldn't get more done, but then again, it's really dark out, so can understand why people.
But I swear I heard a thud coming from
Yo,
the second
we
floor.
heard something above us. Like, I don't know what that was. Dude, that wasn't even half of the building. Okay, look. So we didn't even get half of the bottom floor done. That's how huge this place is. There are 3 floors, bro. All right, so we're going to go ahead and end this part. Anything you want to say before we...
Well, that was an adventure.
Yeah, it kind of was. This man's scared of everything, bro.
You are not fun at Six Flags, are you? I'm probably scared of everything. Alright, well, that was it for this part, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, we're gonna do a part 2. We don't know when. Next time we'll have more people, and let's make sure it's a little lighter outside.
But yeah, it was pretty crazy. Next part, we'll try to do a second floor, maybe third floor. We're not sure yet. That thing is pretty high up, actually. And if anything happens, we have to run down those steps again. So yeah, this is Chris, Diego, saying goodbye, and tune in for next time.